Hello, I am Mrs. Totten, your Algebra 2 teacher for this school year. Mrs. Henderly will be another teacher in periods 3 and 7 with us. I'm originally from North Carolina, born and raised in New Bern, North Carolina, and I received my bachelor's degree in mathematics education from the University of North Carolina at Wilmington. I am also one of the Key Club advisors, which gives students the opportunity to do volunteer work. I have 20 years of teaching experience between North Carolina and Ohio. I just finished my 17th year here at Fairfield Union High School. I have taught a range of math classes from 8th grade math up to pre-calculus. This is the course description. Honors Algebra 2 is a more accelerated course. We will be using technology, including the graphing calculator, online Desmos calculator, and the school calculator issued in middle school. Class rules: be on time, be in your seat when the bell rings, be prepared, bring your pencil, paper, Chromebook, and calculator to class daily, be courteous, be involved, and be responsible. Daily structure of the class will be to check Google Classroom daily for any assignments, including the kids on their virtual week from school. If you are on your virtual week, please email me and I will help you with any questions you have and try to schedule Google Meets. Grades will be based on classwork, quizzes, and tests, and there will be options for retakes that will be discussed later. Stay healthy, helpful, and calm. Wear your mask, and I will see you next week.